Dear children, the Valley of Flowers means a place where many types of flowers are found and which is covered by the mountains, that is called the Valley of Flowers. Dear children, among the chapter number 11, we will study about this valley where a number of flowers of different colors and different shapes, different styles, different scents are found, and this valley of flower is found in the one of state of India, and that is the beautiful state, and you know that very well. This is the state where you live. Can you tell me which is that state? Yes, this one is Uttarakhand, where you live. Dear children, this valley of flowers is found in Uttarakhand hills, and at which place we get it, let's understand ahead. The valley of flowers is found or located in the North Chamoli and Pithoragarh in the state of Uttarakhand. Dear children, this valley of flowers is a type of national park in India which is found in Uttarakhand, where a number of flowers and in a variety of flora, means a variety of plants are found in that park. So dear children, we are learning about the valley of flowers which is found in your own state Uttarakhand, which is very beautiful to see in different months of the year. Let us understand it ahead. In which months you have to go there? Here what is written: the gates to Valley of Flowers open at the beginning of June, but the best time to visit is between July and September. You can extend it to the end of September. So dear children, if you want to go to Valley of Flowers, then you may go to that place in June also, but it would be more better if you go in July or September in Pithoragarh or Chamoli place where the Valley of Flowers is found. Now dear children, a number of flowers are found at different places, and on that basis you have to write these questions today. So you have to write the question number 1, that here are some pictures of flowers. Mark or write on the flowers which you recognize. Write their names too if you know. प्यारे बच्चों, यहाँ बोला है कि इन फूलों के नाम लिखो जिन्हें कि आप जानते हैं. So dear children, when you write the question, after that you write the answer, and you have to draw these pictures like this and also put their names. The first one is Gurhal, the China rose. All of you have seen these flowers at many places. The second one is rose, and the third one is sunflower. The fourth one is marigold. The fifth one is champa. Then the sixth one is chameli. The seventh one is tulsi. The eighth one is Raat Ki Rani, and the ninth one is Guldawdi. So like this you have to draw, or you may take the print also, you paste in the notebook and then write the names of these flowers. Now you have to write the question number 2 from the pictures given above. Means the pictures of the flowers which we have drawn in the question number 1 and other flowers that you know, give names of which. बच्चों आपको यहाँ पर जो ऊपर बनाए हुए फ्लावर्स हैं वो या फिर कोई और फ्लावर्स उनके नाम बताने हैं जो कि से आगे मीन्स विच ग्रो ऑन ट्रीज, जो फूल ट्रीज के ऊपर उगते हैं। तो यहाँ पे दो नाम लिखे हैं, पलाश और गुलमोहर। यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ फ्लावर्स विच ग्रो ऑन बुशेस। उन फूलों के नाम लिखने हैं जो कि बुशेस पर उगते हैं, जैसे कि रोज़ और लेवेंडर। बच्चों आपको टेबल इसी तरह से बनानी है और एक तरफ क्वेश्चन और दूसरी तरफ उसके आंसर्स दो ब्लॉक के ऊपर लिखने हैं। क्वेश्चन एक ही ब्लॉक के ऊपर लिखना है। द थर्ड वन, ग्रो ऑन क्रीपर्स। बच्चों आप सभी को पता है कि प्लांट्स के अलग अलग टाइप्स होते हैं। जो सबसे बड़े टाइप के प्लांट्स होते हैं उन्हें हम ट्रीज कहते हैं। देन उससे जो छोटे होते हैं उन्हें हम बुशेस कहते हैं। देन कुछ प्लांट्स क्रीपर्स होते हैं जो कि केवल ज़मीन पर ही फैलते हैं। तो ऐसे प्लांट्स के ऊपर कौन से फूल आते हैं उनके दो नाम दिए हैं, कोरल वाइन एंड जैस्मिन। यू हैव टू नेम द फ्लावर्स विच ग्रो ऑन वाटर प्लांट्स। आपको ऐसे दो फूलों के नाम बताने हैं जो कि पानी में पाए जाने वाले पौधों पर उगते हैं। एग्जाम्पल है लोटस, वाटर लिली। फिर आपको बताना है वे फ्लावर्स विच ब्लूम एट द नाइट। तो एक तो है रात की रानी और दूसरा है मून फ्लावर। अगला है द फ्लावर विच ब्लूम इन द डे एंड क्लोज एट नाइट। वे फूल बताओ जो कि दिन में तो खुलते हैं, खिलते हैं और रात को बंद हो जाते हैं। तो ऐसे फूलों का नाम है मॉर्निंग ग्लोरी फ्लावर एंड सनफ्लावर। So, dear children, you have to complete this second question with writing this question which is on the screen. Then draw the table and make 3 columns and then 6 rows, and then you have to write the question answers. So dear children, today you have learned that where is the Valley of Flowers is situated. It is in Uttarakhand. It is also the national park in India which is situated in Chamoli and Pithoragarh north part in state of Uttarakhand. And the best time to visit the Valley of Flowers is June to September. And then you have to complete these question answers. Dear children, you have to write only these two questions, question number 1 and 2, which are shown in your slides in this video. Later on we will complete the other questions. Up to that, thank you. Have a nice day.